Medical sources announced that the death toll in the Gaza Strip has risen to 40,861, the majority of whom are children and women, since the start of the Israeli occupation aggression on the 7th of last October. More is in the following report.
Israeli occupation forces killed 33 Palestinians across Gaza in the past 24 hours, according to Palestinian officials, although brief pauses in fighting allowed medics to complete a third day of polio vaccines for teenagers. According to the Palestinian Civil Emergency Service, 8 individuals were murdered close to a hospital in Gaza City in the north, and 4 women in the southern city of Rafah. It added that more people have died in several airstrikes conducted throughout the region. The third day of a widespread campaign, the World Health Organization announced that it vaccinated nearly 25% of children under the age of 10, exceeding its targets for polio vaccinations in Gaza. The initiative, promoted by the finding of the first polio case in a baby last month in Gaza, is based on daily 8-hour pauses in combat between Israel and Hamas in specified regions of the besieged enclave. However, diplomatic attempts to bring about a long-term ceasefire have come to a standstill. According to the United Nations, the polio virus was identified in wastewater in 2 major cities in Gaza last month, despite the fact that the region has been polio-free for the previous 25 years. The humanitarian community has warned about the resurgence of polio since the IOF attacks began on October 7. Since the start of the genocide, Israel's deadly offensive has killed over 40,000 Palestinians in Gaza, resulting in a grave humanitarian scenario that health professionals call a public health emergency. In July, WHO reported that a type 2 variant had been discovered in wastewater samples from southern Khan Yunis and central Deir Balah.